Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Today, we are talking about how to factory reset an iPhone when you cannot enter the passcode. If your phone is locked, disabled, or you simply forgot the code, I will walk you through several real ways to erase the device completely and set it up like new again. Alright, let's jump in. Method 1. Use Forgot Passcode on the lock screen. If your iPhone is running iOS version 15.2 or later, Apple added a built-in way to erase the device directly from the lock screen. Start by entering the wrong passcode repeatedly until your screen changes into a message that says iPhone unavailable. Once this shows up, look at the bottom right corner. You will see a button called Forgot Passcode. This feature basically lets you wipe the entire device from the lock screen as long as you can sign in with your Apple ID. Tap the button, tap again to confirm, and then enter your Apple ID password. Your Apple ID is the account you used when you first set up the iPhone, and the password verifies that you are the owner. After you confirm, the phone will erase itself and restart like it is brand new. This method is perfect if you remember your Apple ID but cannot remember the screen passcode. Method 2. Restore your iPhone using recovery mode. This method works on every iPhone model, including older devices and phones that are completely disabled. First, connect your iPhone to your Mac or Windows computer using a USB cable. Now enter something called recovery mode. Recovery mode is a special state your iPhone can enter when it needs to be repaired or restored. Each iPhone model uses a different button combination to trigger it. For iPhone 8 or later, press the volume up, then press the volume down, and finally hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7/7 Plus, press and hold the volume down and side buttons until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold the side button and the home button until the recovery mode screen appears. Once that recovery mode screen appears, open Finder on a Mac or open iTunes on Windows. A message will appear on the screen indicating that your iPhone needs to be restored or update. Select the Restore option and complete the subsequent confirmation steps. Your computer will download the iOS firmware. After the download completes, your computer will erase your iPhone and perform a factory reset. This method is great when the iPhone is unresponsive or when you simply do not know the passcode anymore. Method 3. Reset your iPhone with Tenorshare 4 UK. If you want the easiest possible experience and clear step-by-step guidance, this option is ideal. Download 4 UK from the link described below the video. Open it and choose the option that Unlock iOS screen. Plug your iPhone into the computer. The program will guide you through everything, including entering recovery mode if your device cannot be detected normally. Next, the program will download the latest firmware for your iPhone model. Once the download is ready, click Start to remove and let the program do all the work. This process will take approximately 10 minutes, after which your iPhone will be fully factory reset. This method is ideal for beginners. After restarting the device, an activation lock restriction may appear. This requires you to complete activation using the Apple account associated with the device. Method 4. Remotely erase your iPhone via iCloud. If the Find My feature was turned on earlier, you can erase the device remotely without touching it. On any computer or another phone, go to the website iCloud.com/find and sign in with your Apple ID. You will see the devices associated with this account here. Choose your locked iPhone, then select the Erase option. Complete the subsequent verification operations. Once done, your iPhone will automatically erase all data completely. Then select the Remove option to disable the device activation lock. This is very helpful if your device is frozen, stuck somewhere else, or you cannot access it physically. Method 5. Factory reset via iPhone settings. This applies to people who still remember their passcode, but simply want to erase the phone for selling or troubleshooting. Open the Settings app. Go into General, then into the section called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase all content and settings. Your iPhone will ask for your Apple ID password to confirm that you are the owner. After that, the phone restarts and clears everything out. And that is everything. If you are unable to enter your passcode, the first 4 solutions are the most reliable methods for restoring your iPhone to factory settings. If you want the simplest and most beginner-friendly experience, the 4 UK option will guide you step by step with no confusion. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.